Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spooky Halloween canvas. These are so fun. You've probably seen something similar like this on the cover of books. I didn't really want to use a book because I have a passion for books, and so I thought we would use a canvas. We are actually going to use the back side of the canvas so that it looks kind of like it's set back into our piece. I put some adhesive rhinestones all along the edge, and you can see right here actually that I'm taking a piece of twine and creating like a little hole. We're actually going to put an eyeball in that soon. All these other little pieces I got from Dollar Tree. You can just pick up some random Halloween decorations and look at it. It's going to look so cool when we're done, but we're going to go ahead and adhere all of those with hot glue. Now I am putting a really generous layer of Mod Podge, and we are laying a paper towel over the top. We're also going to put a layer of Mod Podge onto the top, and that's going to seal it all. This is going to be a fun project. This is a fun project for you to do, for your kids, your grandchildren. It just turns out so cool. Look at that technique. I mean, look at the dimension in that. So cool. So you're going to have to probably trim and layer some paper towels depending on the size of canvas you are using. That's all we're doing here. We're just adhering the paper towel to the canvas over the things that we glued down. Once you have everything on your canvas and your Mod Podge is dry, you're going to put a layer of black paint over the entire thing. You're going to want to really get into those nooks and crannies because of the way that it's layered. There's going to be some spaces that are really hard to get into, but just make sure you get a good layer of black paint over the entire thing. For the next step, I'm going to be using silver paint to highlight all of the areas. You're going to put a little bit of paint on your brush and then dab it off, and this is actually a technique called dry brushing. We're just putting a little bit of silver paint on all the raised edges to give it a really cool look. Check that out. You can see the bones in the bat wings. This is such a fun project, you guys. Your creativity can go wild with this. Now we're just going to take a little wiggly eye and glue it in that cave that I created with my twine in a circle. Check this out, you guys. It is so fun, so cool, and just a really fun project to do with little kids. They will just have a blast doing this. If you love this DIY and all things creative with home decor, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching today.